Welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can search the right tab which you have opened in Firefox in a situation where you have many tabs already opened. So to show that, I am going to my Mozilla Firefox Web Browser. You can see I have many tabs which is open right now, but I want to land into the tab that I actually want to. So I'm just going to put 1% symbol here and I will look for the best one. And you can see out of these tabs, I have got my best by tab view. Simply click here and I am on my best buy page. So in this way, this trick can help you dozens. Thank you so much.